Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's solve a coding games puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Mars Lander by Coding Game. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. The story tells you have been promoted to commander of Mars Lander mission. The goal of the operation is to land an exploration rover on Martian ground. Your superiors at NASA expect very much of you for this mission, and you'll have to prove that you have what it takes to become a great intersidal commander. You will have to land the spaceship on Mars, making sure that the landing is done smoothly. This puzzle teaches you how to compare values using a simple condition. To win this game, I need to find the center of the platform and make corrective action every second, depending on the current flight parameters. I must provide the new desired tilt angle and thrust power of Mars Lander. According to the task, for a landing to be successful, the ship must land on flat ground, land in vertical position, vertical speed must be limited, horizontal speed must be limited. I should consider the following set of rules in order to reach Mars in safe and sound. As you can see, this set of rules can be optimized, their combination makes the code shorter. But let's think about that. The landing zone is just below the shuttle. It always starts landing with 0 horizontal speed. You don't need to store the coordinates of the surface of Mars. Therefore, you only need your vertical landing speed set between 0 and 40. So, the solution turns into just a simple comparison. To make a long story short, the solution can be represented just in one row. Let's dive into the code.
Start the game to see how it works. I've lost. Okay, let's see. Now, I delete all unnecessary lines of the code. Read the number of points used to draw the surface of Mars. In the loop, read the coordinates that forms Mars' surface to find a flat piece of the ground for landing. And now, let's code a game loop. Read the current parameters. The third one, as you remember, is vertical speed. If it's lower than -39, then accelerate it to 4. Otherwise, turn off the engine completely. Let's see how it works. Mars Lander landed hard, but opportunity is okay.
That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at temperatures and absolute values in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.